He's the logic.
She's the magic. I am Yash.
And I'm Spurti.
And
together, let's
dive in.
So, episode 1 is all about meeting us.
Yes.
We recently got married like 1.5 months back. Woohoo! And so we have already, we have manifested this podcast for a long time. And we've been thinking about starting it for so long. We've
Yeah.
known each other for about 4 years.
Yeah.
And I think this topic was on our mind from the past 2 years, I
Yes.
guess.
Yes, definitely. Like both of us are very much not at all camera shy,
Yeah.
and we
Camera
are
conscious, yeah.
not camera conscious, and we have started making some kind of content, shorts, reels, and especially ever since we have gotten married, we live together, then the logistical challenges have reduced drastically.
That was the main reason that we didn't start it before marriage, because we were not able to match our schedules
Yes.
on a weekly basis.
But now I think on a very frequent basis, we will be connecting with all of you on a lot of topics that we have brainstormed together.
Yeah.
And the best part about us, which I personally feel, which I think as we go along, you will realize, is that I am someone who thinks a lot, an over planner, overthinker, and Spurti will be the one who will bring the magical, aesthetic, creative part. So together, I think it will be a very entertaining blend
Fun, yeah. It will be a fun content. This is
for both the genders, hopefully.
Yeah, so we've only made shorts and reels till now. This is the first long format video that we are starting with. And we would like to make it fun and interactive. We thought instead of introducing ourselves, why not introduce each other? So it
Yes.
would be a fun thing to do.
Yes.
So, yes, do you want to start?
Okay, so actually, it was a very creative idea because it's always fun, especially to know what your partner thinks about you. Like you always want to know, ना कि यार आपको क्या लगता है मेरे बारे में. So that is why we are thinking that let's see. So Spurti, जैसा I already mentioned at the start, will be someone who focuses a lot on the aesthetics, on the creativity side, on everything has to be like. She is the opposite of minimalism, like proper maximalism. Like whenever you visit, like she's from Jaipur, by the way, beautiful city. And as you can, as anyone who has visited Jaipur, like everything is quite the opposite of minimalism. Like
It's colorful, it's bright.
ultra colorful. Like I clearly remember the wedding venue where the main hall where the guest stayed. वहाँ पे the flooring, the wall, the ceiling, everything was
Had around 10 colors. minimum of
everything
10
was
colors,
colorful. Like ऐसा नहीं कि ये wall को उसको let's do for grey and beige और ये वैसा नहीं. He is full on that.
He, as himself mentioned, he is a very ultra pro max overthinker, and he will think
Deep thinker.
through every situation that is given to him, even if it's not required sometimes. Since even then, he will deep dive into any situation and then think about it. And he is very energetic. Like, even if you ask his friends, they'll be like, I don't know how Navre, they call him Navre, gets his energy from anything. Like, he does not sleep. Even if he does not sleep, even if he does not eat, even if he does not drink water, which by the way he does not at all. I don't know how he stays like a camel, even though I am from the desert area, but okay. So he's the most energetic person that I've ever met. Like, before meeting him, I thought I was the energetic person because my name also means energy, and I used to, brand my name like that I am the most energetic person in the whole room that you will find. And then I met him, and then I was like, oh shit. Yeah.
The Spurti means energy, and honestly, I'm very lucky that I found a partner like her who is always open to trying new things. Like ever since we started dating, like कुछ भी चीज के लिए कभी ऐसे weekend पे बोलो कि Spurti, let's go to watch a match. वो कभी लाइफ में मैच देखी नहीं होगी. Like I remember.
I'm not a cricket fan. I know a
You're
lot
not
of people
any
will
sport
come at
fan.
me.
No cricket,
Yeah.
no football. Like we remember we had
But
gone
like
to
as
watch.
Indians love cricket, not just
I
any
think over the
sport,
past
yeah.
1.5 year or 2 years, Zada, she has become very better informed about cricket. She
Because
understands the
of you,
rules.
I know the facts, but I'm like still not a fan. Sorry.
T20 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल में जर्सी मंगाई थी तुरंत फटाफट ब्लिंकिट से कि नहीं नहीं मुझे भी पहनना है वो
हम
सब.
दोनों ने जर्सी मंगाई थी, guys, and both of us shot a reel on that also.
Yes. And another thing which I want to mention about Spurti is that she is, again, most of the things that we will say about each other are quite opposites. So Spurti के बारे में one major opposite
We
thing
are the
is,
true born examples of opposite attract each other.
हाँ, तो Spurti is ultra slow in a good way, but sometimes it becomes too slow for me. So like her talking speed, her eating speed is very slow, and she's like she wants to ease into everything. Whereas me being an overthinker, शायद पता नहीं क्या, I have like multiple thoughts going on. ये भी करते, वो भी करते, ये भी करते, वो भी करते. तो उस वजह से थोड़ा
Like I assign time to different activities and I do not think about any other activity during that time. So if I'm eating, I'll only think of eating, or maybe if I'm watching something with it, I'll only think of that. But in his head, he'll think of like 100 other things
वो
going
चलता ही
on.
रहता है. It's like brain is never in that mode where it
Exactly.
stops and it pauses. पता नहीं like, है जैसा है. And I'm extremely fidgety also. इसलिए फिर हमने बोला कि क्या रखें, मतलब because I'll not be able to sit
इसको ये
in one
exercise
position.
करने वाला देना
बोला
पड़ा.
कुछ दे दो, ऐसे बोला क्रिकेट का बॉल लेके ऐसे घुमाते रहेंगे या कुछ तो चाहिए. एंड यू विल सी इन द वीडियो एज वी गो अलोंग, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू सिट इन वन पोजीशन.
Yeah, he'll keep on moving here and
कुछ ना
there.
कुछ चलता ही रहेगा. एंड वेयर शी इज लाइक एकदम ऐसे मॉन्क जेन मोड, ऐसे आप बैठ गए तो बैठ गए, बस कुछ नहीं, चुपचाप. और पूछो क्या चल रहा है आपके माइंड में?
Nothing.
ब्लैंक,
Literally nothing.
आंख खुली रख के मेडिटेशन चल रहा है.
I've already achieved nirvana.
हाँ, legit no overthinking. उसका एक extension of that has also is that overthink करती नहीं है, deep think भी नहीं करती है शायद. तो because of that she is also very positive about life. That is something I really admire. कि कुछ भी हो जाए तो एक ऑप्टिमिस्ट नजरिए से देखना कि ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना, यहाँ ठीक है क्या होता है देख. ऐसा टाइप का एटीट्यूड जो है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग फॉर समवन लाइक मी who is a very
One thing about Yash is that he is a newspaper puglu.
Yes.
So, like he will have a newspaper in his hand every single moment of his time when he takes the newspaper to his office, he takes the newspaper to his bedroom. He's never without a newspaper.
It is like I have a ritual where I want to read 2 newspapers daily, and most of the time because of my I don't know time management या कुछ भी बोलो, I want to do everything before I even go to the office. तो अगर मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लिया then you will not find me with the newspaper.
And he has taught this to other people as well. Like he is trying to teach it to me also, and like inculcate this habit of reading a newspaper. He is done with his friends. And
Oh, yeah.
coming to another point, which is very connected to this, that he loves teaching whatever he knows to other people. Like I just keep on telling this to him that you can be a very good teacher. And you should actually enroll as a professor in any college.
इस बात में I am extremely patient. इसमें इस मैडम का बिल्कुल patience नहीं
I
है.
am very impatient with kids, especially. I do not.
टीचिंग में भी ऐसे मतलब है, छोड़ो यार खुद से सीख लो.
Like I know things on my own, but I don't know how to express it to other people. I need to work on that. But yeah, it will come as a vibe that he truly wants you to learn. He's not just telling you because you are asking him the question. He will actually want inculcate it in your heart that this is the thing that I taught you and you should remember this forever.
I think that is the true meaning of learning. मतलब I am very much pro education, honestly, for whatever be it. And thought ऐसा ही है कि अगर आप कोई चीज़ fundamentally सीख सको, मतलब the concept, then you will never forget it. तो वही चाहता हूँ कि मतलब whatever be it यार, ऐसा मुझे कोई पूछे कभी favorite subject क्या था, ये used to love history, geography.
He's
Math,
interested in
science.
everything: politics, spirituality, history, geography. He's a Google Maps guy also, by the way.
Oh,
I
yes.
forgot to mention.
Yes.
A very big thing about him.
Yes, Google Map person. Like I would always want to be the navigator.
It's not big.
The roles are reversed. Like typically, if there is a chance So she will be the one who will want to drive,
Of
and I
course,
will be the one who will want to sit in the navigator seat, look around, आजू बाजू क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, and open maps, रास्ते कहाँ से क्या जा रहे हैं. That's like a
Yeah.
very contrasting personality as per क्या बोल सकते हैं,
The
typical जो roles
gender roles.
हाँ gender stereotypes के against है ये
Yeah.
rules. But हाँ, so that is also one thing.
Okay, and he is a marketer's nightmare. Like he is such a frugal person. He does not want to spend his money or anything. He does not want to
Frugal.
buy clothes. He does not want to buy shoes. He does not want to buy any materialistic thing possible. I don't know how he survives, honestly, because I am the complete opposite.
She is a marketeer's dream. So like again nightmare and dream.
Dream. Complete opposites.
अब सेम थिंग होता है, ऐसे देखो तो सपने ही होते दोनों के दोनों, बट नाइटमेयर और ड्रीम, वो टेलर स्विफ्ट का सॉन्ग है ना, उसका जो सबसे मेन लाइन है, शी वाज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट, आई एम अ नाइटमेयर ड्रेस्ड लाइक अ डे ड्रीम.
Dress like a daydream.
वो वाला
Blank space.
ब्लैंक स्पेस, हाँ वैसा टाइप का ही है. मार्केटिंग लोगों के लिए स्फूर्ति लगी है ये चीज, व्हाट शी इज ड्रिंकिंग फ्रॉम. कोई जरूरत नहीं है इसकी,
This was gifted to me by my company.
कुछ भी हो, लाइक इफ शी गेट्स एनी गूगल एड, इंस्टा एड, एज वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग, वो जाके देख के फिर like, चलता ही रहता है. स्फूर्ति के बारे में अनदर थिंग दैट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड ओवर द पास्ट 40-45 months, like she is one of the most fiercely independent women or human beings. तो मतलब सब काम खुद ही करना है, हेल्प किसी के मांगनी नहीं, कुछ नहीं. मैं कितना भी मतलब अच्छा इंसान बन के जाऊं किचन में, चलो मैं कुछ हेल्प कर लेता हूँ, ये वो नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं कर लूंगी कुछ
मैं
से.
इसको बाहर भगा देती हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, मैंने हेल्प ऑफर की तो नहीं लेनी है तो ओके. बट दैट्स अ गुड थिंग आई फील इन अ वे, कि सब काम खुद से फोड़ लेती है, एंड वेरी वेच कि नहीं मैं देख लूंगी जो भी है. वेरी बोल्ड एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाइफ, ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंसी वाला नहीं है. फिर अनदर थिंग इज दैट स्फूर्ति इज वेरी वेरी मच, एज यू नो, like an extension, someone who is a marketeer's dream, and if they are a female, typical, again stereotype बोल रहा हूँ मैं, they will love to buy clothes, accessories, beauty products,
I
cosmetics.
love being a woman because of this. And I can purchase so many things. Like I have so many things to shop because for men, unfortunately, there are not many options to buy. But for women, oh my god, people make such good products. Like I have a penguin remote holder. Oh my god. And it's so cute. When I saw it, I was like, I am going to buy it. Cups like these, plates, new furniture, new clothes, new accessories.
ये भी if you can see, this is a mug, और ये स्टारबक्स से लिया हुआ मग है, इसकी कोई जरूरत ही नहीं. हमारे
But
पास
this you purchased.
हमारे पास इनफ मग्स है.
You purchased it because it's Mumbai, it's a city.
वो तो इंसिस्ट किया आपने, उसके बाद लिया कि चलो ठीक है.
But yes, I'll never say no if he's saying कि ये खरीद लेते हैं, and I'm like, okay, yes, done.
गिनी चुनी चीजें कभी खरीदता है इंसान तो फिर आप उसमें मना नहीं करने चाहिए. एंड उसी का एक्सटेंशन लाइक आई वांटेड टू कंटिन्यू वाज कि शी इज वेरी मच इनटू सेल्फ केयर. तो सेल्फ केयर के अंदर मतलब सब कुछ, स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर, और ये सब मतलब पूरा कॉम्बो पैकेज आ जाता है, जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा बहुत अभी मेरे अंदर भी आ गया. लाइक आई अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन.
I've converted him to being a sunscreen for glue.
हाँ, बट सनस्क्रीन भी लाइक एक लिमिट होती है. ये बंदी इतनी 3 उंगली भर भर के जो लगाती है, आई डोंट अग्री. ये
I use
प्रॉपर
the 3-finger method.
वो मार्केटिंग, whoever was the marketing guy who thought that we should introduce the 3 finger ऐसे लगा के rule, you have succeeded. Your KPI has been completely achieved.
Lol. Okay. Enough about each other. Let's talk about what's common in us, which is love for animals. Both of us love animals. We can spend a lot of time with them, and we would love to do that.
So like one interesting thing about our story also has been that both of us used to spend a lot of time in places like cat cafes, dog cafes, and yoga with dogs,
Yeah.
something on those lines. And not only that, like both of us love and adore just watching random stray dogs, stray cats, like indies. And like I am of the belief that in fact both of us are of the belief that we greet every dog that we meet. every dog, every cat.
That has been a childhood habit for both of us.
For
Like,
both of us.
have loved the street dogs and the street cats or the street animals anywhere around our house.
So Jaipur unfortunately does not have a lot of cats. So
Yeah.
Spurti was
The cats in Jaipur are scared of humans, so I was not able to interact much with cats
so it was a delight
until
for her.
I came to Mumbai
Because in Mumbai, like some of the areas where Spurti lived, like
because of the sea. Yeah,
so like
I
the
used
area
to
near
stay in Mahim.
the area near Mahim. We remember at night when we used to go for a walk and we used to give a challenge that let's count the number of
Yeah,
cats.
we would just count on our fingers that how many cats are we seeing
Like we used
throughout
to
the
bet,
journey.
and the number, we kid you not, were like 20, 30, sometimes at least even
Sometimes 100 also if we walk like for 2 to 3
100 cats,
kilometers.
especially वो
100
रात का
cats.
टाइम जब लोग उनको खाना देते थे
हाँ,
उस टाइम
तब
पे
सब बाहर निकल के आते थे, एक ही जगह पे बैठ जाते थे and they would be like we are waiting for our turn to eat.
so like I genuinely, like I'm going off track, but I feel that Mumbai is that city in India which has a potential to become the cat lovers paradise from a tourist point of view. कि अगर अच्छे से उनका ध्यान रखो तो over the period of time, I think 10 years or so के अंदर इतनी cats हो जाए and people are also friendly with them. वो भी मतलब I feel cats are very good animals in terms of आवाज नहीं करते, ज्यादा काटते नहीं है. Like dogs का लोगों को बहुत issue है.
Cats बहुत काटती है.
नहीं ऐसे मतलब
मतलब
unnecessarily.
until unless you bug them.
हाँ,
तब
वो
तक
अपने
नहीं
काम से काम
काटेंगे
रखते हो
वो, हाँ.
शांति से. Like that is one thing we
They
are.
have attitude.
Cats.
I don't care. This is my world. You are in it.
Coming back, so वो cats wala, like that is one thing very common in both of us. Another thing that both of us are very passionate about, as you mentioned, like as we mentioned, वो energy wala thing, that both of us are very conscious about health and fitness.
Yeah.
So slowly we are trying to get back into rhythm.
Both of us love to work out. Both of us love different kinds of workouts also. We love to try out new kinds of workouts also, which we haven't tried yet. And we like healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, jaldi सो के जल्दी उठना वाला kind of thing, जो कि अभी हो नहीं पा रहा है बहुत टाइम से. But we want to build a healthy routine in our lives.
Yeah. वही thought है अभी, like the goal is that only कि थोड़ा शादी के अभी stabilize हो रहे हैं and we get into that kind of a routine where we wake up early, do our कुछ भी weight training, yoga, meditation, stretching, ये सारा पूरा कॉम्बो करके फिर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना है. स्फूर्ति ने भी चालू किया न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना, हेडलाइंस तो पढ़ती है. बट या दिस इज समथिंग एंड लाइक ऑफ लेट वी स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग. एक साल हुआ है ऑलमोस्ट. पिकल बॉल स्टार्ट किया था हमने खेलना. दैट वाज
so there was a tournament in my office with which we started playing.
हाँ, and luckily the place that we live वहाँ पे एक पिकल बॉल कोर्ट है.
हाँ, तो हम बहुत रेगुलरली खेल सकते हैं. And it has literally become a sport till the point that I have even added a pickleball racket in my Kalira that I wore in my wedding. So it has become so close to our heart now.
Pickleball है, and also swimming. That is one thing she is really good at. Like one of the sport which I can say she is much better than me in terms of aquatic. That's why we said
baby.
Dive in.
Yeah, I'm a water baby.
She knows how to dive in water. मुझे नहीं आता.
I love.
I can jump in water.
हमारी स्विमिंग क्लासेस में सो आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग स्विमिंग फ्रॉम माय फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड एंड हमारी स्विमिंग क्लासेस में सैटरडेज वर द डाइविंग डे. उसके अलावा हमारे सर कभी हमें डाइव नहीं करने देते थे. ओनली वंस व्हेन यू आर एंटरिंग द पूल. मैं जैसे तैसे करके छुप के 3-4 बार, मतलब जो भी लोग डाइव कर रहे थे उनके पीछे से जाके फटाक से डाइव कर लिया कि मेरे को डाइव करने को मिल जाए. बहुत मजा आता था. फिर सर बोलते थे तेरे को पकड़ूंगा मैं, अभी और नहीं करने दूंगा. तो आई यूज्ड टू लव सैटरडेज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. मैं जाती थी, डाइव करती थी, फिर बाहर आती थी, फिर डाइव करती थी, फिर बाहर आती थी. एंड आई यूज्ड टू कंटिन्यू दिस फॉर an hour straight up an hour. वो कुछ नहीं करती थी मैं सैटरडे को. और फिर
so that is one thing. Luckily we also have a swimming pool. Hopefully Spurti is now very much conscious about the health of her hair and skin. तो पता नहीं how much
my
will
skin is very sensitive, so it is very difficult for me to manage the humid weather in Mumbai.
हाँ, एक और एलिमेंट हमारा कॉमन स्पिरिचुअलिटी कल्चर वाला.
We love our culture. We love being an Indian. We love the
very
spiritual
like
part
extremely
of it.
nationalistic, patriotic.
Yeah.
Very proud of discovering more about our culture. एक चीज रह गई स्फूर्ति के बारे में, which is like I don't have any. I am a big zero, shunya, in that, which is music. So she also is a very good singer and trained in keyboard. अभी वो follow नहीं कर रही है काफी time. She's not practicing, but
I'm very out of practice, yeah.
but she has that skill also. So basically, what we're trying to say is that here in this room, the two of us would like to capture थोड़ा बहुत हमने हमारे बारे में
lives.
explain किया, our lives, our experiences, how we look at things, logic versus magic, वो वाला जो वो track है वो चलता रहना चाहिए.
Yeah.
But yeah, we are kind of, I think, together we complete a lot of things that are missing in each other.
Okay, so moving on to the next section of this podcast. So I thought it would be a very fun thing to inculcate a quiz inside the podcast,
Okay.
which would be called the Sync or Sync Challenge.
Ooh.
Sync as in the SYNC or
Oh,
SINK. Okay. Just for the audio listeners. In sync. Okay. So both of us are going to ask each other one question, and the main answer would be who's more likely to do this kind of behavior in this particular situation. Okay.
You only ask.
Oh, okay. So let's start with the first question. Who do you think is more likely to go in a grocery store for milk but comes out with 3 plants, a new candle, and no milk? Let's say it together.
Me.
Who trusts the Google Maps blue line implicitly, and who says, I think I know the shortcut, and gets lost?
You will be
I
the
think
one who
you
will
are the
say,
Google Maps person.
you will be the one who will get lost shortcut जाके. मुझे पता है. अरे स्फूर्ति के बारे में ये चीज तो रहना रह गया.
क्या?
This is one thing which I say about her all the time. She is too innocent इस चीज के अंदर, but genuinely ये होती है reality. फिर इसके ऊपर आता है exaggeration, फिर आता है over exaggeration, और उधर ऊपर ये कैमरा जहां नहा पहुंचे वहां पे आती है स्फूर्ति, अल्ट्रा मैक्स प्रो ओवर एग्जैजरेटर. हर चीज में एक नंबर की फेंकू इंसान है. मुझे पता है.
Okay. Next question. Who is the one who will whisper, can we leave now at a party? And who is the one who's making one last friend at 2 a.m.? I think you are the one who's making a friend, and I'm the one who's continuously whispering, let's go, get out of this party. I want to go home.
Yes.
Who is more likely to say, I told you so, with a spreadsheet of evidence, and who just gives the look?
Obviously spreadsheet में तो मैं ही बताऊंगा पूरा, and you will be the look person.
I think we are done with the questions now. Let's move on to the next section, which will be what's wild.
What's wild?
Yeah, so we have to
Jungly.
basically have to tell a fact which we read or heard somewhere during the week and which we thought was crazy. Okay, so I'll start with me. So today I read in an article in newspaper that Gen Zs are preferring to make beauty collectibles. So it has become now a thing that all the beauty brands are are supposed to make pretty packages so that they attract the Gen Z buyers now.
Which is you.
Which is me. And it is working, honestly. Like the new Nykaa collection, the Bridgerton one, it was so pretty. I was so tempted to buy it, but I
कितने का
knew
था?
that I had so much makeup at my place, so I
कितने
did
का
not.
था ये collection? Bridgerton Nykaa.
The whole collection was different. Like there were lipsticks, there was face palette, there was eyeshadows. So lipstick I think costed around 800 rupees, and the face palette was around, don't quote me on this, around 1200 or something. Maybe I don't remember, but it was so cute. I wanted to buy it.
Normal 500. Bridgerton edition special
800.
exclusive.
Yes.
800.
Because the packaging was pretty and The money went inside the packaging.
Correct,
No?
correct. I
Yeah.
think she should study the sourcing cost of these raw materials and
Yeah,
packaging.
I really want to do that, but okay.
Okay, then you'll realize that the 300 rupees delta was not 300, it was 3 rupees.
It was pretty. That's enough.
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
What's wild? Yeah, everything is wild, honestly, this week. मतलब,
Everything is burning like
everything-
wildfire.
everything is burning. Rupee is down. 94 cross हो गया है.
Oh my god.
And crude oil price भी बहुत high है. Like, I am that guy who will tell you these kind of facts. But एक अच्छी बात है, honestly I am very positive about the stock market. मैंने आज ही पढ़ा था पेपर के अंदर, valuations, the price to earnings ratio of Indian stocks has come down to 19, like less than 20. So whatever crash and everything happened, it is good कि now honestly it's a good opportunity to buy. ऐसा मैं खुद मानता हूँ. buy the dip करते करते पोर्टफोलियो पूरा लाल हो चुका है. But
Like just like it was a good opportunity to buy during COVID. Similar to that.
मतलब वही था कि like one basic thing, I'm not too much, I don't understand the investing world too much, but जितना भी समझ सकता हूँ उसके अंदर यही है कि everything has a price. Like we discussed नाइका वाला एग्जाम्पल, वही चीज 800 रुपये आपकी willingness to pay के अंदर आ जाती है. बट उसी को अगर मैं बोलूँ कि ये 1500 है, तो आप भले कितना प्रिटी हो, कितना एस्थेटिक हो, आप नहीं बाय करोगे. तो वैसे ही आई थिंक द स्टॉक मार्केट का भी वही सीन चल रहा है अभी कि इट वाज टू एक्सपेंसिव ऑफ लेट लास्ट 1-2 साल से. बट अभी हो क्या गया कि 1-2 साल में कंपनीज ग्रो कर गई बट मार्केट तो ग्रो नहीं किया, तो इसलिए जो उनका वैल्यूएशन था वो काफी हद तक आ गया है. आई डोंट हैव एनी कूल कलेक्टिबल रिलेटेड फैक्ट, तो मेरे को यही लगता है कि कलेक्टिबल में तो अभी आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन कलेक्टिंग गुड स्टॉक्स. आई ट्राई टू कलेक्ट देम if they are available at a pretty packaged valuation.
Lol. Okay, so moving on to the next section, which is called the weekly download.
You start.
So we watched Dhurandhar Part 2 in the last week, and
11:30 का शो
11:30 का शो लेके गए थे और दूध वाले के साथ हम सुबह
5
वापस
बजे
आए.
वापस आए.
The typical meme that's going on.
Yes.
And I loved the movie. Honestly, I loved it better than the first part. And after the interval, I was glued to the screen. I was like, oh my god, फिर से एक नया twist आ रहा, फिर से एक नया twist आ रहा. इतना I was so much invested in the movie कि अब क्या होने वाला है. Oh shit, ये ऐसा एजेंट निकल गया. Oh my god, ये भी एजेंट निकल गया. ये तो एक्सपेक्टेड ही नहीं था. Oh shit, ये इसको कैसे मार रहा है, ये इसको कैसे मार रहा है, अभी कैसे करेगा, अभी क्या करेगा. Of course there was violence, so I was a bit skeptical to watch it again because I did not like the first part as much because of the violence and the scenes that was shown कि ऐसे किसी का सर बाहर आ रहा है, किसी का पैर कट के ऐसे फिक रहा है, खून खून हर जगह हो रहा है. We went to Jaipur to celebrate my first Gangaur after marriage, and we had an amazing time there. It was very we saw the Gangaur Mela which happens in Jaipur also, and it was very colorful and vibrant as explained about Jaipur. And both of us loved the
आपने भी
time
first time
with
ही देखा ना?
family. हाँ.
तो फिर क्या?
Like
City Palace.
when as an
Temple Run.
adult मैंने पहली बार देखा, तो I did not remember कि कैसा था क्या था. And बहुत मजा आया. हमने रॉयल फैमिली का पूरा देखा, how they celebrate the Gangaur and all. And yeah, we had good time with family and we came back and started like ये week मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I properly started my office journey back from wedding.
अपने आप की ये निकाल दिए, चूड़े
हाँ,
निकाल
मैंने
दिए.
मेरा चूड़ा निकाल दिया. I'm very sad about it. Very sad about it. Now I don't look like a newlywed. I want to look like a newlywed. But ठीक है, whatever. Some things are supposed to be.
Good week in general. मतलब, हाँ मैंने कल वो देखा भाई द वे, वो न्यूरेमबर्ग जो आपने थोड़ा आधा देख के छोड़ दिया था.
हाँ.
Amazon प्राइम पे था वो, and it was something that I really enjoy. वो टाइप का जॉनर था, like World War II में कैसे like I think उसका प्लॉट तो मतलब लोगों को जो भी आइडिया, but something that I think people should watch. It's a must watch. The performances and everything was too good. And like Hitler का closest, like the number 2 to Hitler, Hermann Göring, उसको after he surrendered, and how was he put to trial, and how did a American doctor get in touch with him, get to understand him, how he thought, एंड द न्यूरेमबर्ग ट्रायल्स, द फेमस न्यूरेमबर्ग ट्रायल्स के ऊपर था. गुड 2 hours मूवी. थिंक या लास्ट वीक पूरा इसमें ही गया मोस्टली. तो फाइनली
Newly married.
हो गया अभी 1.5 महीना.
And
And
we are starting our marriage journey
and this podcast.
podcast. And as always, grow together, glow together, and let's keep the spark alive.